Hi everybody, welcome to Storytime with Fairfield County Library. My name's Miss Nina and I am so excited for Storytime today. Are you guys ready? Okay, awesome. This week our theme is trains. That means this week we are going to read all about those big machines that run on rails. Okay, our first book is Hey Mr. Choo Choo, Where Are You Going? By Susan Wickberg, illustrated by Yumi Heo and published by G.P. Putman Sons. Hey, Mr. Choo Choo, red, white, and blue choo. Hey, Mr. Choo Choo, what are you doing? Conductor calls. I want to pull, but I wait till my cars are full. I'm puffin' in my smoke stack. Bells are clangin', I'm on the good track. I'm sliding, starting slow. I'm chuffin', I know where to go. Hey, Mr. Choo Choo, red, white, and blue choo. Hey, Mr. Choo Choo, what are you pulling? I'm pulling all my coach cars filled with kids who want to go far. There are logs on my flat cars and fresh milk in my white tank cars. In my hoppers, toys are stashed. Watch my steam. You know who comes last. Hey, Mr. Choo Choo, red, white, and blue choo. Hey, Mr. Choo Choo, where are you going? Through the big cities and the small towns. Got to go. No time to slow down. I pass cows on the plains across the lake. I see other trains. Up the hills, through the trees, with my long train, I travel with ease. Hey, Mr. Choo Choo, red, white, and blue choo. Hey, Mr. Choo Choo, what are you seeing? There's a long tunnel, got my light. In the dark, I can see all right. See the deep river, the bridge is tall. See the rocks on the canyon wall. Down the slope, I can see the dark blue, where I want to be. Hey, Mr. Choo Choo, red, white, and blue Choo. Hey, Mr. Choo Choo, what are you hearing? There's a ding, ding, ding by the road, road, road. Hear the click, clack, click as I haul my load. Now we're here, 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 the kids cheer, 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 as I slow down, using all my gears. Hear the wave, 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 see the sand, 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 feel the wind, 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 your day will be grand. Hey, Mr. Choo Choo, red, white, and blue Choo. Hey, Mr. Choo Choo, what are you saying? I'm saying bye, bye, bye with my bell, bell, bell. I'm saying toot, toot, toot as I wish you well. Okay, that was Hey, Mr. Choo Choo, where are you going? What'd you guys think? Did you like the rhyme? All right, our next book is Choo Choo Clickety-Clack by Margaret Mayo, illustrated by Alex Ayliffe, and published by Carolrhoda Books Inc. Trains are great at speeding through tunnels rumbling, over tracks rattling. All aboard at stations stopping. Choo choo clickety-clack, off they go. Airplanes are great at flying to faraway places, people carrying down runways, up and away, soaring. Roar! Off they go. Cars are great at driving to stores or friends or special outings. Trunks packing, seat calling, belts fastening, beep, beep, off they go. Race cars are great at racing. Waiting at the starting line, crouching, growling, hurtling around the track, chasing, zoom, zoom, off they go. Sailboats are great at sailing, over waves bouncing, splishing, splashing, water slapping, sails flapping, flappity flap, off they go. Hot air balloons are great at floating, high in the sky, riding, gliding, hating, feeling, swelling, rising, whoosh, off they go. Motorbikes are great at revving, turning, swerving, speeding, passing, slowing down, no crashing, vroom, vroom, off they go. Bikes are great at whizzing, needing no engines, just pedals for pushing. Feet pumping, wheels whirring, zippity zip, off they go. Cable cars are great at climbing, up the mountain swiftly swinging. Hurry in, skiers, doors closing, slump, whir, off they go. Buses are great at going, same route driving, same time arriving, waiting, flagging, stopping, starting, ding ding, off they go. Ferry boats are great at loading, cars parking, people boarding, ready to go, toot toot, whistle sounding, chug chug, off they go. Now it is dark, many vehicles are resting, but through the night some keep traveling, still zippity zipping and clickety clacking. On they go till they are home at last. Okay, that was Choo Choo Clickety-Clack. What'd you guys think? What was your favorite type of transportation that was in the book? All right, everybody, thank you for coming to Storytime. Now, just because we're done reading does not mean we have to be done with Storytime. If you come down to the library this week, you can pick up a Storytime kit, which are these fun-filled activity kits that we made to go with the books we read today. Each kit comes with a coloring sheet, a craft, and a tasty recipe that you can make with your grown-ups. This week, our craft is this guy, a cardboard train. To get a kit, you need to come to the Fairfield County Library and look for some crates in the children's section. Now, we have 2 crates. One for Monday Storytime and one for Wednesdays. So you want to make sure you grab the right kits or you could end up with something completely different than what I just showed you. The kits for this Storytime are in the Group B crate. They're the blue ones. New kits come out whenever there's a new Storytime, but we might have some kits left from last week if you missed it. It never hurts to ask one of the librarians to go check. Maybe ask for me, Miss Nina. Okay, everybody, thank you for joining me for Storytime. Once again, my name is Miss Nina, and I hope to see you in the library this week to pick up a Storytime kit. It's time to say goodbye, but I look forward to seeing you all next time. Bye!